This watermelon is old as hail. It's from Summerween and it's molding, as you can see. And it's discolored. So I'm gonna go smash this in my yard. And it's gonna be awesome and epic and hashtag amazing. It's right there, I guess. Not here. It said do it. Huh? Like over there. Over here. Like against the edge of that concrete. Okay. Let's go back there. Let's go back there. Ready? Oh. Oh. Oh.